think trains are too slow for traveling? Well, you could be wrong then. Buckle up as we introduce you to the 5 fastest high-speed trains in the world. 5. JR East E5. Ticking off the list, we have the E5 bullet trains of Japan Railways that run at up to 199 miles per hour. Slightly faster than the Shinkansen trains, these have 731 seats and 32 electric induction motors, delivering an impressive 12,900 horsepower. Constructed of lightweight aluminum alloy, these feature extraordinarily long 15-meter nose on the driving cars that reduces sonic booms. 4. TGV POS. Next, we travel to France with the TGV POS. Also known as the train à grande vitesse, it can hit speeds of 201 miles per hour. Designed for the LGV Est line connecting Paris to Germany, its aerodynamic design reduces drag for efficiency. Despite its sleek build, it carries only 377 passengers. The latest TGV M double-deck trains are in testing and will be rolled out later this year. 3. ICE 3. Next up, we have the Germany's world-famous Intercity Express ICE brand that covers a large family of fast trains deployed on a wide variety of routes. Around since 1999, these run at a top speed of 205 miles per hour. Powered by 16 electric motors distributed across the 8-car train, it boasts an impressive 11,000 horsepower. The ICE 3 fleet connects major German cities with Paris, Amsterdam and Brussels. 2. CR400 Fuxing. The CR400 Fuxing trains run at a commercial maximum of 217 miles per hour, but have successfully reached 260 miles per hour on test. Developed from previous high-speed models, these trains are a testament to China's constantly upgrading rail innovation. Up to 16 cars long and accommodating 1,200 passengers, these feature all the modern and luxurious amenities. The fastest CR400 variants are currently deployed on the prime Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong and Beijing Harbin routes. 1. Shanghai Maglev. At the peak, we have China's Shanghai Maglev. This marvel uses magnetic levitation, not conventional rails, to achieve a top speed of 286 miles per hour. Connecting Pudong Airport to Longyang Road Station, it covers 19 miles in just 7.5 minutes. Gliding along an elevated track, its powerful magnets ensure a super smooth, friction-free ride. So which one of these speedsters is on your bucket list?